Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly assemble and run the iDOO 12-pod indoor hydroponic system. Plug the pump plug into the socket on the light hood. Then connect the plug from the power supply to the socket on the light hood. The power supply must not be connected to electricity. Attach the support to the light hood. Insert the support together with the light hood into the slot on the bowl. Pour water into the bowl. It's most convenient to pour water with the grow deck removed, as the hole for pouring water is quite small and you can spill water. Pour 4 liters of water into the bowl. To know how much water to pour, look at the window on the side of the bowl where you have a scale that shows the amount of water. You can use either tap water or distilled water. Dilute the plant food. Pour water into both bottles of plant food. Pour almost a full bottle of water. Close the cork and shake each bottle well. Leave them for a few minutes and then shake until the solid fertilizer dissolves. In its liquid state, the plant food is usable for 2 years. Add the plant food to the water. When the solid fertilizer has dissolved, add 20 milliliters of plant food to the bowl of water. Use bottle caps with a scale on them to measure out the correct amount. Avoid putting too much plant food to prevent the burning of the roots. Add a new portion of plant food every time you change the water. Put the seeds into the growing sponges. Since this hydroponic system is not supplied with seeds, you need to get your own seeds. Put 2 to 3 seeds in each growing sponge. Make sure that you place the seeds exactly in the hole of the growing sponge. Put each grow sponge in a separate net pot. Be careful that the seeds do not fall out of the sponges. Put stickers on the net pots. In the center of each sticker, tear off a circle to make a hole for the plants to grow. The stickers are needed to prevent algae from growing on the sponges. Insert the seed pods into the holes. I only use 4 seed pods to give the plants enough room to grow. You can use all of the available holes. Put a humidity dome on top of each seed pod. This will provide quick germination for the seeds. Cover the holes that you are not using with the covers that come with the hydroponic system. Turn on the power to the device. Insert the plug into the power outlet. Then press the power button on the control panel. The light should come on and the fan should start to run. The next thing you need to do is to select the lighting mode. There are 2 types of lighting: vegetables and flowers. Choose the one that suits your plants. Move the light hood to the lowest position. Release the catch on the support and lower the light hood to the lowest position. Then close the safety catch again. This completes the setup of the iDOO 12-pod indoor hydroponic system. I wish you all the best and see you next time.